everybody, it's Breigh today, back for another week of box openings. This week we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna move from hockey and we're gonna do some football. So we've got a Leaf autographed mini helmet. This is from 2016, and we're gonna open this up and see what we get. It does say on the box, look for the hottest stars, both from the past and today. So we could get somebody from the past, we could get somebody who's a little bit more recent. Let's open it up and find out what we get. I guess I can't call myself a hockey enthusiast this week, considering we're doing something a little different. That ain't gonna stop me from wearing my Hockey Night in Canada shirt though. Alrighty. Let's see what we get. A weird box. Okay. Likely one of the easiest names in football. We've got Breigh for the Oakland Raiders. Hall of Fame 2014. Very, very lovely. Unfortunately, it looks like the stickers are peeling a little bit on the side of this guy. But not a big deal considering the signature that we've got on here. It also does come with a certificate of authenticity, so you know that this is legitimately signed by Breigh. Very nice. A little bit different this week, which is exciting. And, thanks for joining me in this week's adventure, and we'll see you next time.